Today we are going to start chapter number 25, My Tehsil. What is the meaning of Tehsil? Tehsil means taluka, that is area. They have given one example over here. Now look at this example first. This is Ruchan's village. He is living in Jaipur. Given below are the details of villages around Jaipur. Discuss around according to the details given. Now look at the map, we can say now how they have given. Jaipur is given and which is kept in the center, and the nearby areas which are there surrounding Jaipur are Falu, then Hirapura, then Hathipura and Aglod. Similarly, we are going to see which are the areas around our city. We are not staying in village, so we are going to write according to the city now. We are saying in Vadodara. So first you are going to write your name. My name is so and so. I am living in Vadodara. So the city nearby areas around the Vadodara are, so you are going to draw again a center Vadodara, which is already given. So you can see on next page also. Similar example is given here also. So you can see Vadodara is given in the center, then Savli is given, Padra is given, Vagodia is given, Karjan is given. It is same thing because we are staying in Vadodara, so we this applies to us also. So you are going to write the details of like this in a form of map. Now what is given next? Write the names of the villages. Remember, now we can write the areas. That's now I told you 4 areas you are going to write around the Vadodara city. You can make changes and write. Don't write the similar one which are given on the next page. You can change and write. We have seen about the villages which are nearby. There are 250 tehsils in Gujarat presently. So 250 tehsils. Tehsils means talukas are present in Gujarat. There are various villages in each tehsils. Group of village makes the tehsils, and we will prepare details about our tehsils. So what is given here? Villages combine together and form a taluka, and a group of villages make a tehsils, which will be prepared. We will prepare our own tehsils over here now. Let us study in detail about these talukas of our own city, that is Vadodara. Taluka is an administrative division of a district. It is headed by Mamledar. It is called as Tehsil, block or mandal, etc. There are 8 talukas in Vadodara. Now which are they? Savli, Vadodara, Vagodia, Daboi, Padra, Karjan, Shinor and Desar. So these are the talukas of Vadodara. We are going little in detail as we are studying tehsil. So Vadodara is a tehsil, and these are the details of that. Now we are going to go more. Now we are going to go in detail of Vadodara now. Which are the areas which are covering Vadodara now? So let us see that also. Now we are going to see Vadodara Tehsil, that is Vadodara Taluka, which are the areas included Manchalpur, Akota, Atladra and Tarsali, and many more are there. Now come to page number 166. This is a detail of Ratan's Tehsil. Here details of different tehsils of Vadodara are given. Discuss according to this in detail. So here, as I told you, Vadodara, it has many areas, many talukas comes under the Vadodara district and Vadodara tehsil also. Because we are staying in city, so we come under the district, and in that district there is a small, even then it is classified again into the tehsil, and you will find these are the areas which are there around Vadodara. Which are the other tehsils here? In which district your tehsil is? So where you stay, you are going to write like this, the details. So Vadodara in center, wherever, because we are this example is already given of Vadodara, so we are going to write about Vadodara because we are staying in Vadodara. So we are going to write like this only. Accordingly, we'll just change the areas. Then the name of my village is again the same. One more example you are going to write. You can take now some other examples, other village, and make like this tassel in that box, given box. So you are going now already Vadodara is given. You are going to write other village and complete this. This we are going to discuss in the live class.